Hello, I'm Horace Douty in Lexington, Virginia, and each Tuesday I bring you a local nature lesson by way of YouTube, and I encourage you, if you enjoy these nature lessons, then subscribe to Horace Douty YouTube and hit like and hit the little bell icon so that you'll be reminded when they're up. And I also encourage you to share these nature lessons with your family and your friends and your neighbors. I appreciate it. Today, I'm going to focus on a well-known flower called the peony. And here beside me is a beautiful variety of peony. I think this is called the Julia Rose peony. And the peony flower is about as showy as any blossom I know. In fact, it's almost flashy because the flowers are large and they come in every color you can think of, and you can have several different colors on one plant. And here you see it. You have a pink one and a white one, and you have the buds all over the place. They can produce at least each plant can produce 3 dozen blossoms. And the plant will normally grow about 3 feet tall and 3 or 4 feet wide, but leave them alone and they will continue to get bigger. Zinnias are easy to grow in zones 2 through 8, and the tree peony is a different variety than what we're looking at here. This is called the herbaceous peony, and it's more common. Once you get a peony growing, it is a perennial, and it will stay right there for more than 100 years. All you have to do is just protect it to some degree and prune it every now and then, and you will have a peony that will blossom every spring. And the buds, now, I don't see any on these buds, but the big fat buds usually are covered with small ants. Now, the ants do not harm the buds at all because the ants are there to eat the sweet nectar that covers the unopened bud. And they also deter mites and other smaller insects. The growers are often advised not to grow your peonies up close to the foundation because they do attract ants, and there's no question about that. The peony is originally from China, but grows common all over North America in the North Hemisphere. And years ago, this plant, flowers, seeds, and leaves were used for medicinal purposes, claiming to cure almost everything. There it is, your nature lesson for today, the peony. And you're fortunate if you have a peony or a bunch of peonies in your garden.